Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to rebuild gums and teeth.
Dentists from around the world are shocked.
According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities.
This oral probiotic is a soft mineral that melts in your mouth and helps to naturally heal cavities, decay, abscess, enamel erosion, bad breath.
Unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before.
A unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients, backed by clinical research.
Yes, there is hope for reversing chronic oral conditions.
Enjoy better oral health.
Enjoy fresh breath.
Achieve a healthy smile without spending a fortune.
Don't worry about your teeth any longer. 3.5 billions of probiotics, along with 3 unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support the health of your teeth and gums.
Natural formula, no stimulants, easy to use, non-habit forming, non-GMO, gluten-free.
Click the link below this video to learn more and take action now.